Hello friends, I am Dr. Asha Bakshi from Indore. Welcome back to the question answer series. Our today's question is to Dr. Bhagya Lakshmi Nayak. She is a senior gynecologist from Cuttack, Odisha. She is currently the chairperson for Oncology Committee FOXI 2018 to 2020. She has also been the joint secretary of AICOG 2018. She has keen interest in the field of oncology and also is a great teacher. So, Dr. Bhagya Lakshmi, a young lady with a history of infertility, has come with ovarian cyst for which she undergoes laparoscopic cyst excision. The histopathology later comes as borderline mucinous cyst adenoma. Now, how do you manage this patient?
Thank you, Dr. Asha, for asking me such an important question, which is a day-to-day problem with everyone. So, coming to mucinous borderline tumor, actually the diagnosis is very, very rare. So, the first thing which we have to do is we have to confirm the histopathology and we have to talk to the pathologist and then do a review of the histopathology slide with multiple sections to rule out microinvasion so that it is a more graver situation than a borderline tumor. And number two, coming to whenever we are doing a laparoscopic surgery, is very important, especially when we are doing a conservative surgery, to characterize the ovarian cyst before embarking on the surgery. And this characterization, I think we have so many tools in our hand, like iota scoring. We can do a MRI for these tumors, which can really characterize them well. And having done that, in case you still have some doubt, it's very important that we do a frozen section biopsy on the table and confirm the diagnosis before embarking on such a kind of laparoscopic surgery. But since we have already crossed those stages, we are already done. So the cystectomy has already been done. So we again review the slide, and if it is really a mucinous borderline tumor, I think the treatment would ideally be a revision surgery, which would include a salpingo-oophorectomy of that side, followed by a proper evaluation of the entire peritoneal cavity with multiple biopsies taken from many sites and a omental biopsy as well. And all these, of course, can be done laparoscopically. We have to counsel the patient to undergo a repeat surgery. But in case she does not allow or she does not agree to it, I think we have to counsel her about the risk of recurrence, because cystectomy has an increased rate of recurrence as compared to a salpingo-oophorectomy of that side. So in case she does not agree, we have to keep her on stringent follow-up and advise her for early pregnancy, followed by removal of that side of the salpingo-oophorectomy. So many times these recurrences, when they occur, they would not be borderline tumors, they would be some kind of invasive cancers. So the right treatment is a salpingo-oophorectomy of that side along with a proper surgical staging. So thank you, Asha, again for giving me an opportunity to discuss a day-to-day problem. Thank you.